Well, a lot of us want to be heart healthy, but struggle finding the best approach.
Well, we now have the results of a Virginia Beach diet study that put 4 popular diets to the test. Lucy Bustamante is here to tell us which one is best for your heart and which one wins the battle of the bulge.
Well, a group of cardiologists tested the vegan, paleo, Mediterranean, and DASH diets. 280 participants lost an average of 10 pounds in 2 months. But which one was really heart healthiest? Check it out.
Dan Whalen has lost 40 pounds since September on the Mediterranean diet of chicken, fish, nuts, fruit, and olive oil.
Everybody tells me I look younger.
But his cholesterol is what he really cares about, given his genetics.
My brother died of a heart attack at age 30. He was a Norfolk firefighter, died on his way to work. His wife was pregnant with her first kid. It just shocked our family.
He lowered his numbers by 37% with diet alone. His old $900 daily pill only reduced it by 10%.
That's a dramatic drop.
For Leslie Law, who followed paleo, she stays away from processed foods and makes her own paleo snacks and sells them too. Dr. Deepak Talreja of Cardiovascular Associates tested vegan, Mediterranean, paleo, and DASH. But which one won for being the best for your heart? Vegan did the best in terms of lowering cholesterol, so cardiac doctors view it as the clear winner. Mediterranean did well in lowering bad fats and keeping up the good. Dr. Talreja, who was the lead investigator, says he now has a targeted way of prescribing diet.
Lucy Bustamante, 13 News Now.